Here is Outre Ella, okay? It's a nice, pretty curly bob. This is in the color, I think we got 1B, so a natural color, okay? This is what the wig looks like. And here is the construction. Again, this comes with HD lace, okay? And it also is a 13x4 lace front wig, okay? So this is a part of their perfect hairline. It comes with 2 combs in the front. It also has a wig band in the wig, so it's already in there. So it has a comb in the back as well. So let me see how I want it to go. And you guys can see the lace and the color of the lace while I'm doing that. Yeah, this is so cute. Who knew? Like, this is a synthetic wig, you guys. So I'm gonna let you guys see the front. I'm gonna turn, let you see the side and the back. Here is the right side. Here's the back. Now I have a black cap on, so hopefully you should be able to see through that. I have a bright light on me though. Here is the left side. Okay, I think, ooh, this looks good.